Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this 1950s outfit in Dresden dress without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles, and then for this one you're going to choose bangs only, and for this hairstyle choose no bangs, and for this one you're going to choose no bangs. Okay, and put on this necklace, make it toggle 2, and this one make it type 3, and this necklace from the kids item, and you're going to make it white. Alright, and then the next one I'm going to put on this gloves. Okay, I'm going to remove the fur, and this top make it red. Okay, apply this red color for the first selection and also the second selection. Then you're going to put on this heels, make it black. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the next area, put on this skirt, and you're going to make it white, and then apply this pattern. Okay, and the next one, go to the dressing room. You can choose the kids item and put on this bag, and then you're going to make it black. Okay guys, and this is for the look, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.